Welcome to Unicorn Stairlifts, serving Sheffield and surrounding areas. We are a friendly, independent stairlift company offering affordable, quality branded stairlifts, complemented by our first-class installation and aftercare service. As a company, we adhere to a no-pressure sales service. We don't employ salespeople, cold call or use pushy sales tactics. All our products are clearly priced with no hidden costs. Our dedicated staff are helpful, polite and on hand to answer any questions you may have. We pride ourselves on giving the right advice and information. We offer stairlifts from the UK's leading manufacturers for both straight and curved staircases. Our range are carefully selected to offer excellent reliability, adaptability and ease of use. We offer new, reconditioned and rental, with express delivery available on selected models. All stairlifts are meticulously prepared, checked and tested throughout before installation in your home. At Unicorn Stairlifts, we offer a free, no obligation survey where we check the compatibility of the staircase and take accurate measurements. We also assess the user, listen to your requirements and answer any questions you may have. Once an order is placed with us, one of our engineers will arrive at a convenient time. Installation is carried out with care and attention by our fully qualified, highly experienced engineers. Fitting is quick and hassle-free with minimum disruption to your home. Once installed, a full customer demonstration is completed, making sure you are happy with everything before we leave. Warranty as standard accompanies all installations, and if maintenance attention is required, then our 24-hour response team are on hand to help. They are strategically situated and are backed up by an excellent spare parts facility. For more information or to book a free home survey, please call us today on 0800 587 9505.